Hey YouTube, I'm going to try and cover this Cat Power song called Rockets. I think it's a beautiful song, and I think it's got some great lyrics. Yeah, I didn't play it right there, but anyways, I'm not guaranteeing that this is 100% accurate because there's two guitars playing on this every version I've heard of this song. But definitely I think this is right. Starts out with the introduction. It's playing a B power chord. So I'm just at the 2 and the 4, the 2 on the A string, the 4 on the D string. And then I'm letting the open G ring. And if you were playing this with one guitar, I would recommend this is just what I would play for the introduction. Then it goes to this kind of strange chord. It kind of looks like an A minor shape, but we're playing it on strings D, A, and the low E. So we got our second finger on the low E at the 5th string, got our middle finger on the A string at the 5th fret, and we have our index finger on the D string at the 4th fret. And again, we're playing the open G. Then it goes to F sharp. Now, actually, when on the recording, it doesn't play those open notes. It just goes. And then it goes to some kind of G chord. All right, that would be, I would say, the introduction. That B. That weird kind of chord on the 5th and 4th frets. And then to G for the resolution. Now, then I would go to this. This kind of chugging. Where do the dreams of babies go? And then to the F sharp. To the G. So the only thing there I'm playing from the introduction is still that weird chord that I'm playing that. Everything else I'm just playing bar chords. So play the B at the 7th on the low E, and then the 9th on the D and the A strings. Play it like this if you want. That's how I play it. Then we got that weird chord at the 5th and 4th frets. Then we go to a F sharp power chord. And back to the G. Now, I have to say, it's not entirely clear. I think it's because there's two guitars and because there's so many kind of weird notes in these chords. I definitely think it always goes B, weird chord at the 5 and 4, F sharp. Then I think sometimes where I'm saying it goes to G, thinking sometimes I think they go to D. And then sometimes they may even go to this, back to this chord. Okay, so if you want to mix those in, go ahead. But I'm just going to say we're going to resolve to the G. Okay, if I'm playing and singing this, that's what that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm just going to, do something simple so I can sing it. Where do the dreams of babies go? You know they're so good. Oh, they're so good. Now, when I saw a live performance on video of this, to me, that appears to be what Chan Marshall was playing. That's why I say play the B up here, because that's what appears to be what she was doing. And then come to this little weird chord, which you may be some kind of G chord, I don't know. And then she was going to the F sharp. But then that fourth chord, it's up for debate, but I'm just going to the G. And then the second guitar was playing all the kind of creepy stuff in the background. But Chan was just playing the kind of the chugging rhythm guitar part. All right, and if you have to pick between the creepy, strange guitar part and the chugging part, well, I would play the chug part. Maybe save the creepy stuff for an introduction, and maybe you could play it on the outro, because this song kind of like starts out quiet and builds up to a loud volume, and then at the end it brings it back down. Now the lyrics are great. She talks about babies, mothers, astronauts, guns, and so it's a very American song, and she talks about polluted thinking. All right, so I love it. So it seems to me she's talking about like idealistic type of things, and of course she talks about rockets. That's that song by Cat Power. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye.